So, hello everyone, and today this is not a tutorial or anything that I'm asking for help basically. So I know how to fix these chibi models when there's only one motion or the characters don't move around, but I'll show you here. These characters in this motion, that sexy love, for example, let's see here, that can be fixed. The problem is when they change position, see? When they change with one another. When they go between positions and change positions between each other. That's a problem, okay? They have problems. This is a motion with no changes. Now if I go, for example, if I go to J, I remember his position. Use the center. Center is not a good idea. Maybe I do select all bond frames, then I go to this, set it to 0.1 to fix J. Okay, he goes there. So the position has changed. I need to go to the master. If I can find it. Master. Okay. Now I move J again here. Register him. Maybe if I change the center. But I'm thinking out loud. But here, if I put J here, now camera again. Let's see what happens. I don't think J will move right with the others. He moves less. He was supposed to be here, and see what happens. He was supposed to be there, and he's over here. So doesn't solve it. So maybe this is me trying. Go Control Z, Control Z. Okay, maybe if I change the center, if I could find the center, maybe it's this one. I don't think this will fix it, but if I put J here, see the legs? That's a problem. So it's not possible. Even if I put center here, that's where I tried. It goes back. But if you fix the center in every frame, the same happens. So it's not possible. So this is normal. So I'm not seeing a solution to this unless you can help me out and make more motions compatible with Animal Crossing models than the ones we can make it compatible for now. So I don't think I have more issues to talk about here. My only issue is this, how to make these chibi models dance with motions where they change positions and touch each other and do more stuff than just a regular normal motion. Those motions can be fixed. I do a tutorial for that, but these ones are not finding a solution, so I hope someone can help. Thanks!